Hey guys, stab in the eye here. The lock I have today is the fourth lock off my progressive lock list, the Brinks 40mm laminated padlock. This is a really great lock for someone learning to single pin pick for the first time. It's a 4-pin lock with about 1 to 2 spools and has excellent feedback, so you can really feel what's going on when you're first getting started. I'm going to use a 50 thousandths pry bar with top of the keyway tension and a standard hook in 25 thousandths and see what it takes to get into them. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see we just got the false set. So if this makes the 90-degree angle, now we're a little bit askewed. So it should be about 1 pin holding this up. 1, 2, 3. And it's pin 4, counter rotation, and we're open. Here's a shot of the key. Okay. Now the second one. Top of the keyway tension. One, 2, 3, 4. Right down the stack. And we are open. Here's a shot of this key. Okay. Alright, so this has been the Brinks 40mm laminated padlock. Thanks for checking it out. One thing to note on these locks too is they do not have ball bearings, so they can be shimmed as well. Alright, this is a really great lock. Anyone getting into lock picking for the first time, I recommend you check them out. And thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.